Hello class. The topic which we are going to start today is defining and classifying groups. We define a group as two or more individuals interacting and interdependent who have come together to achieve particular objectives. Groups can be either formal or informal. By a formal group we mean one defined by the organization structure with designated work assignments establishing tasks. In formal groups, the behaviors team members should engage in are stipulated by and directed towards organizational goals. The 6 members of an airline flight crew are a formal group example. In contrast, an informal group is neither formally structured nor organizationally determined. Informal groups are natural formations in the work environment that appear in response to the need for social contact. 3 employees from different departments who regularly have lunch or coffee together are example of an informal groups. But why do people form groups? And why do they feel so strongly about them? Consider the celebrations that follow a sports team's winning a national championship. Fans have stalked their own self-image on performance of someone else. The winner supporters are elated, and sales of team-related shirts, jackets, and hats declaring support for the team skyrocket. Fans of the losing team feel dejected, even embarrassed. Our tendency to take personal pride or offense for the accomplishments of a group is the territory of social identity theory. So people join groups for the following reasons: for a sense of security, for a sense of status, for increasing self-esteem, for a sense of affiliation, for a sense of gaining more power, and for the reason of goal achievement. The group formation process is a 5-stage model. The first stage is the forming stage. This stage is characterized by a great deal of uncertainty about the group's purpose, structure, and leadership. Members test the waters to determine what types of behaviors are acceptable. This stage is complete when members have begun to think of themselves as part of a group. The storming stage is the second stage. This stage is one of intra-group conflict. Members accept the existence of the group but resist the constraints it imposes on individuality. There is a conflict over who will control the group. When this stage is complete, there will be a relatively clear hierarchy of leadership within the group. In the third stage, close relationships are formed. There is now a strong sense of group identity and camaraderie. This stage is complete when the group structure solidifies and the group has assimilated a common set of expectations of what defines correct member behavior. The fourth stage is performing. The structure at this point is fully functional and accepted. Group energy has moved from getting to know and understand each other to performing the task at hand. For permanent group works, performing is the last stage in development. However, for temporary committees, teams, task forces, and similar groups that have a limited task to perform, the adjourning stage is for wrapping up activities and preparing to disband. Some group members are upbeat, basking in the group's accomplishments. Others may be depressed over the loss of camaraderie and friendships gained during the work group's life. So this is a 5-stage model of group formation. Generally, groups follow and go through these 5 stages of formation.